Thank you for tuning in. Please drop your suggestions in the comment box. History questions on TCS pattern, Mughals Part 1 for SSC exams, Steno, CPO, MTS, CGL. So let's start the session. The first question is, Jizya tax during the Mughal Empire was a tax levied on. So it was a tax paid by non-Muslim citizens during Mughal Empire. Let's move to the next question. Who introduced Charbagh style of architecture in India? So Charbagh style of architecture means there was a monument and around it 4 gardens were built to give an illusion of paradise. So this style of architecture was introduced in India by Mughals. Let's move to the next question. The terms Jat and Sawar are related to which administrative system of Mughals? So these terms were related to the Mansabdari system of the Mughals. Mansabdari system. Let's go to the next question. During Mughal period, rank and salary were determined by a numerical value called Jat. So in every era or period, every empire had their own way of ranking and paying salary to their government official. So during Mughal Empire, Jat was the numerical value on which the rank and salary was determined. Let's move to the next question. So, the city of victory, Fatehpur Sikri, was built in Agra. During Mughal period, a royal edict or order was known by what? So whenever a king or the emperor wanted to issue an order to its citizens or public, so during Mughal era, that order or edict was known as Farman. Let's move to the next question. Who established Mughal Empire in India in 1526? So in 1526, Babur established Mughal Empire. So Babur was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India. Which emperor's army did Maharana Pratap fight in the Battle of Haldighati? So in the Battle of Haldighati, Maharana Pratap fought Emperor Akbar, Mughal Emperor Akbar. Let's move to the next question. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in the year 1526 between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated in this battle, and in this year only, as we learned in the previous question, Mughal Empire was established by Babur. Let's move to the next question. In which year did Emperor Akbar build the Buland Darwaza? So Buland Darwaza was built by Akbar in the year 1601. So this concludes the first session, the part 1 of the history questions asked by TCS during SSC exams such as Steno, CPO, CHSL, CGL or MTS. So I hope you must have liked this session. If you liked it, please tune in for the part 2. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the future videos.